It's here. Okay, I'll pull it out, take it inside. Apparently we're taking this guy to another memorial service. Okay, stand back. What the hell? There's nothing in here. There's nobody here. My God, he is risen. It's a miracle. Jeez. Hey, Bubba, call the next of kin and just patch the phone call into me. Jesus. Hello? Who am I speaking to? Oh, Danny. Danny, how are you? You know, it's been so long. You know, even 15 years later, I'm still sorry for your loss. In any case, I'm here at the at the cemetery, and I was told that we're going to be bringing John to another memorial, and that and you know, John's not here. What? I'm sorry. You say he's in Ipswich? Oh, so he is dead. No, he's still alive. That's amazing. Can he pass the 6-minute walk test? Well, that's minimally important. So he's alive. He's doing well. What? So he's been doing well over these last 15 years. Well, I'll be darned. So this is fabulous news. Wow, this changes everything. I guess I can return the casket. Hey, listen, so he's having a memorial, it's a retirement service. So in the last 15 years, has he done anything? No, you're kidding me. He's published over 300 articles. He's playing his harmonica in bands all over the world. This is incredible. Well, if that's the case, please give him my best. You know, he's one of my favorite people, and I look forward to seeing him, even in Ipswich. Anyway, love to you and to John, and congratulations.